So what I like to do is I like to bend those down, or bend them up, so that they're out of the way. And so when you put them on there, put it in there, it stays out of the way. Alright. So let's set this aside and show you putting this piece into the motherboard, or into the case. Sorry, my brain doesn't work today. I mean, I know how to do this with my eyes closed, but I'm suffering with healing up right now, and I've got to get this job out by tomorrow, so thought no time like the present to... Okay, come on, mister. There we go. Okay, got that side. I got this side now. Alright, just make sure that that's in there. Okay. You see? Now it's in there, so when I go to place the motherboard in there, it's got a certain place to go. Alright. So, there's a bag of screws for a reason. So, you can see this. This will go right in here when you keep these out of the way. This will go right in here and go right into those little holes. But we have to put something in to hold the motherboard. See? It goes in there just like that. See? But right now on this motherboard, you'll see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw places for screws. But in here, in the screw package, it's got these right here. These screws are for putting the motherboard on. These screws are for the hard drive. Actually, take that back. These screws are for putting the motherboard on. These screws are for the CD drive. And then these little brass stands get screwed into here in certain spots, and then I can screw the motherboard down with the screws. It's really hot in here. So because I know where they go, you can line it up, but I have to do this so many times, I know where they all go. One there. One there. One there. And you can hand tighten them. You don't have to get a tool out. So some cheaper cases of lesser quality will have the pins where the holes will not be machined very well, or the metal, and so it won't quite jam up. So there is 6 places that this can go. Alright. Now, if you get in the middle of this and you ever wanted to have a question answered, usually you can find somebody nice enough to give you the answers, and I might be one of them, so you could probably give me a call. You can email me or do any sort of things, I'd be happy to give you the right direction. In fact, probably the best person to call is me, but probably going to be really busy. So, okay, there's 6 of them. What do you do with the leftovers? Put them back in the bag. Oh, who is trying to get hold of me? Hold on.